Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about the fox and the storks. Once upon a time, a selfish fox once invited a stork to dinner at his home. That evening, the stork flew to the fox's house and knocked on the door with her long beak. The fox opened the door and said, "Please come in and share my food." The stork was invited to sit down at the table. She was very hungry and the food smelled delicious. The fox served soup in shallow bowls and he licked up all his soup very quickly. However, the storks could not have any of it, as the bowl was too shallow for her long beak. The poor stork just smiled politely and stayed hungry. The selfish fox asked, "Stork, why haven't you taken your soup?" "Don't you like it?" The stork replied, "It was very kind of you to invite me for dinner. Tomorrow evening, please join me for dinner at my home." The next day, when the fox arrived at the stork's house, he saw that they were also having soup for dinner. This time, the soup was served in tall jugs. The storks drank the soup easily, but the fox could not reach inside the tall jug. This time, it was his turn to go hungry. Moral of the story: don't be selfish.